Indian dancer, teacher and choreographer, it's very important that I do exercises to strengthen my quads, hamstrings and calf muscles. I do a variety of different exercises very regularly, and wall sits, according to me, is one of the best exercises that we can do for our legs. So today in this video, I'm going to show you how to do wall sits safely. Please do the wall sits if you can, but if you have knee issues, then please consult your physician before you do any such exercises. Welcome to Natya Aerobics and Natya Shakti Yoga with me, Prajavati Madhusudan. So let's get started. I'm going to show you the right technique. I'm going to take it a little slow and I'll hold it for quite a few counts. But if you feel that you can't hold it for long enough, please do come out of the wall sit and then you can go back into it. Build it up gradually, but you will see and you will feel the benefits as you practice this regularly. Okay, so let's put a mat. You have to have a mat in front of the wall. Don't try to do this exercise without a mat because you would slip and it's dangerous. So make sure you put a yoga mat in front of the wall. Now you're going to stand with your feet hip width apart and about almost an arm's length away, not entirely an arm's length, a little away from the wall. Now I want you to breathe and lengthen your spine. As you breathe out, I want you to push your tailbone towards the wall, but as you do that, you're going to drop your chest onto your thigh. Okay? Now place your palms on the wall and then push your tailbone into the wall. Press your heels and the ball of your feet and your toes firmly into the floor. Breathe in, lengthen your spine, and as you breathe out, raise yourself up. And press your spine into the floor, into the wall, and curve your tailbone. So pulling your tummy in, suck your belly into your spine. The spine is pressed into the wall. You'll already be feeling it. You will already feel it. Now you have to feel it only here. If at any point you feel it on your knees, then you have to get out of it by placing your palms on the wall, bending your body, coming forward, and then slowly straightening yourself. But that's the way you're always going to get out of a wall sit. Don't just jump out of it. Do it slowly with your breath. Okay? So let's try and get into the wall sit again. So push your tailbone back as you bring your chest to your thighs. Place your palms on the wall. Press your tailbone into the wall. Breathe in, and as you breathe out, straighten your back and curve your tailbone and hip forward so your tummy is in, and you can hold it. I'm going to count to 30. If you cannot hold it for 30 counts, come on. If you're a beginner, you may be able to do it for 5 or maybe 10. So just build it up gradually. Okay, ready? Just going to hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Put your tummy in. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now bend forward, place your palms on the wall, slowly push yourself and inhale as you come up slowly. Okay, just relax, shake your legs, shake those legs. I'm sure you must be feeling it. Now what I generally do is I try and incorporate some other movements as well when I'm doing wall sits. For 2 reasons. One is I try and work my upper body a little or my core a little, but it also distracts you. If you're just sitting in wall sits and focusing on your leg muscles, it's a mind thing. Yeah, you start feeling the pain sooner because you're focusing only on that pain. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to use my arms without any weights. I sometimes use weights as well, but we're going to do it without weights. Again, do only what you can. So feet hip width apart and Breathe out as you bend forward, placing your belly and chest onto your thighs. Place your palms on the wall, tailbone into the wall. Bring your chest up, press your spine in, curve your tailbone. Okay, no, you should not feel any impact on your knees, it's only here. Okay, stretch your arms. As you breathe out, open those arms, okay? So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Place your palms on the wall, bend forward and slowly come up. Well done. I hope you were a bit distracted, but you did feel your legs working. At the same time, it gets a little easier. Now, you know, I'm holding it for 30 seconds, but as you get stronger, you will find that 30 seconds don't really do much. You may want to hold for 40, 50, 60, and so on and so forth. So you'll build it up depending on how strong your legs get. Because most of the dance we do in a clear position or in a full squatting on the floor, so we really do need very strong legs, and it's very important for all Bharatanatyam dancers to do these leg exercises. It's perfect for dancers and athletes. Okay, now this next one, I'm going to do the same thing, but with weights. I'm not taking very heavy weights, it's just 1 kilo I think this is, okay? Yes, okay, 1.5, yeah. Okay, so we're going to do the same thing. You don't have to take weights, but if you want to, just for you to feel your upper body working as well, right? Feet hip width apart again. Lengthen your spine, bend forward, palms on the wall, push your tailbone in, and bend, push your tailbone, firm your feet on the floor, lift yourselves. Hands here, you can keep your elbows bent. Okay, so this is going to work my pecs, my arms, and at the same time my core as well. Ready? Breathe out, and 1, and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and turn. I'm going to do a slightly different exercise. Then I'm going to lift it up and bring it to my shoulders. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Let's press your fingers into the wall. Lean forward. Push yourself. And straighten. Well done. Well done. Okay, you can put the weights down now. So that's another variation. You don't have to do these variations, but it's entirely up to you, whatever you feel like doing. You can add your own variations as you go along. Now, I also do a bit of crunches in wall sits. So, again, do it only if you can. Same thing, just relax for about 10 seconds. Shake your legs. Shake your legs. Let all that energy system reboot. Let your muscles reboot with all its energy. Then we'll do it again. Okay? Right. Now, feet hip width apart. Lengthen your spine. Bend forward. Palms on the wall. Press your heels in. Ball of your foot into the floor. Toes opened and pressed. Lifting. Now, curve your tailbone. I'm going to place my fingers on the nape of my neck here. And as I breathe out, I'm just going to bring my chest down. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 1. Repeat. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Push yourself forward. Lift yourself. Well done. So these are the 4 variations. And as I said, you can add other variations as well. So sometimes I sit and I just turn my upper body, or I'll punch my arm out so I get a bit of workout for my abs, my obliques. Yeah, so you can do different things just to distract your mind, but at the same time get a little workout. Your mind won't matter. Now, we'll need to just stretch our quads. So you can sit on your heels, so push your toes together and heels on either side of your glutes. Now if you find that this is hard, you can keep a cushion between your calf muscles and your hamstrings and just relax onto that. Okay, so you just stay here. You can rub your thighs, just massage them. And please do subscribe to my channel, Natya Aerobics and Natya Shakti Yoga with Prajyoti. I've posted quite a few videos on aerobics, tutorials on how to do Natya Aerobics, step-by-step instructions on how to do some asanas, some power yoga sequences, and I will be posting a lot more tutorials on the Natya Aerobics workouts. So please press the bell icon so that you get notifications of videos as I upload them. And I shall see you in my next video. Until then, take care. Have a great day. Bye-bye. Thank you for joining me.